Let me ask you something. Have you ever been chasing a girl, doing everything right, giving her attention, making effort, and then one day you just stop? You pull back, you go quiet, and suddenly everything changes. If you want to know what actually goes through her mind when you stop chasing, this video is for you. I want to start with something real. I've been on both sides of this. I've chased and I've stopped chasing. And I can tell you, the moment you stop is the moment everything shifts. Not because you're playing games, but because you finally chose yourself. And that energy, she feels it. The signs I'm about to share come from real experience and real conversations. So if this resonates, let me know in the comments. Sign number 1. She notices the silence. The first thing she feels is the silence. She's used to your texts, your calls, your effort. And now, nothing. At first, she might think you're just busy. But when a day turns into 2, then 3, she starts to wonder. That silence speaks louder than any message you ever sent her. Sign number 2. She questions herself. This one hits different. When you stop chasing, she starts asking herself questions. Did I mess up? Was I taking him for granted? Why doesn't he care anymore? She's used to having your attention. Now that it's gone, she's forced to think about what she had and whether she actually wanted it. Sign number 3. She checks your social media. You stop reaching out, and suddenly she's watching your stories. She's checking your posts, maybe even looking to see if you're with someone else. She won't admit it, but she's curious. She wants to know if you're really done or if you're just taking a break. That curiosity, it means she's feeling the shift. Sign number 4. She feels the power shift. Before, you were the one putting in effort. Now, the dynamic has flipped. She realizes she can't just expect you to always be there. And that feeling of losing control, it's uncomfortable for her. She might not have valued your attention before, but now that it's gone, she notices the difference. Sign number 5. She starts reaching out. This is where things get interesting. When you stop chasing, sometimes she starts chasing you. A random text, a like on an old photo, a hey, how have you been? She's testing the waters to see if you're still interested. Not because she necessarily wants you, but because she wants to know she still has you. Sign number 6. She either moves on or realizes your worth. Here's the truth. When you stop chasing, one of 2 things happens. Either she moves on and proves she was never really into you, or she finally sees what she had. And if she does realize your worth, you'll know, because she'll put in the effort she never did before. But here's the thing, by then, you might have already moved on too. Stopping the chase isn't about manipulation. It's about self-respect. It's about knowing your value and refusing to beg for someone's attention. When you stop chasing, you give her space to feel what life is like without you. And honestly, that's when the truth comes out. If this hit home, you need to watch my next video, 7 signs she's not worth chasing. Most guys miss these.